Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a detailed deep clean of my oven.
I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started.
Now my oven is a self-cleaning oven, but as you can see, I kind of let it go over the holiday season. Yes, holiday season. We're in February right now. So what I'm going to do is release the hatch on both sides of the door. It's a little clip. You can either use a flat tip screwdriver as I'm using, or if you have long nails, that can do the trick also. So after you got the clips off of the latch, you're going to just guide the door out. Make sure you use both hands and don't hold it by the handle. Now the door is kind of heavy, so you may need assistance. Now what I'm spraying on the door to loosen up some of the grease and grime is something called Awesome that you can find at the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. Usually diluted with 1 part water to 1 part of the solution. And I'm going to use steel wool to actually scrub and get a lot of that dirt up. As you can see, all that grime and baked on food is coming up pretty easy.
There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
Now you may need to spray once or twice depending on how dirty the oven is. So I had to go in a second time with the solution and also just keep scrubbing and using a lot of elbow grease.
Baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something good.
Now as you can see, everything came up pretty easy. The door is looking 1,000 times better than when it was looking before. So I still had a bit of particles that were on the glass of the door, so I used the Wineman's glass top cleaner to try to see if I could get a lot of it up, and it really did the job.
That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
Now I think the little rope around the door is called a gasket. I may be seeing this wrong, but I know it's possible to change it. So in the future, I'm gonna look into that to see how I can change that little rope that's around the door. Because no matter what I did, it still had a little grime in it, and I think that's because the oven hadn't been cleaned in a couple months.
Got you, baby, here in my heart.
Now I'm going to remove the warming drawer or the storage drawer so I don't get any chemicals or anything in that drawer. And I'm gonna dive into the oven itself and try to get a good clean.
You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know we're onto something.
After doing all of this, I promised myself that I would never ever let the oven get to this way. So with this deep clean, it's going to help me now to do the self-cleaning option on the oven in between. But every now and then, you know, the oven does need a deep clean, because the self-cleaning option doesn't always get everything that you want it to get.
Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know we're onto something good. You know, and I know we got something good. Something good. Something good. I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know.
The use of the flathead screwdriver really helped to remove a lot of the baked on food that the steel wool was missing. So it helped a lot. It helped me to get a lot of that up.
We're onto something good. You know, and I know we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally, I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you, I feel so much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know we're onto something good. You know, and I know we got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy.
Now I'm gonna clean the oven racks, and I found this product, Carabana, I think it is, oven rack and grill cleaner on Amazon. What you had to do was to soak the racks overnight in a bag that the product came with. So you would use the entire bottle, you know, put that in the bag and then put the racks in and let it sit overnight to kind of loosen up a lot of the food particles.
Something good.
Everything you see in the bag, guys, came from the oven racks. So this product really does work. I can only imagine if I had let them sit for 48 hours, it probably would have gotten every single piece of the particles off. No, my oven racks doesn't have that shine anymore because the first time I actually used the self-cleaning options, I accidentally left the racks in there, so all of the shine is now gone. But at least the racks are clean.
Clouds. But I've always felt that something's missing.
Next, I'm gonna clean the drawer warmer with just some hot water and Dawn to get all the grease up.
Fire. It made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
After I removed the drawer warmer, I realized that underneath the oven had a lot of dust also. So I decided to give that a good clean before putting the drawer warmer back in.
I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally, I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you, I feel so much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in.
Do you see the shine inside of that oven, guys? It looks 1001% better.
Feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know.
Putting the oven door on requires a little patience. You just have to make sure that the notches on the bottom are lined up, and you just reinstall the latches and you're good to go.
You know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know.
I'm gonna finish the process up with a little spray away glass cleaner on the glass of the oven door, and also I'm gonna use the Weinmann's stainless steel cleaner to shine the outside.
Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know.
Well, that's it, guys. I hope I motivated you to get something done around your house, if it's your oven or even something you have been putting off for the longest. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every single time I post. Thanks for watching. This is AD signing out.